Lemon verbena is a plant with proposed healing properties often used for various health issues. In this video from the Daily Eco, we'll learn all about its properties, benefits and contraindications. Lemon verbena properties. Among its uses in traditional medicine, lemon verbena is said to have properties that improve digestion, carminative properties that reduce the formation of intestinal gas, antispasmodic properties that help relieve muscle spasms or involuntary muscle contractions, and vermifuge properties to help expel worms from the intestines. It's also claimed to have sedative properties that contribute to the relief of symptoms of stress, antioxidant properties that prevent or delay cellular damage, properties that stimulate blood flow to the pelvic and uterine areas, and antibacterial properties that inhibit the growth of bacteria. However, it's important to note there's little evidence for its benefits in clinical use. The leaves of lemon verbena can be used for their essential oils, which contain citral, cineole, limonene, geraniol, flavonoids, furanocoumarins, mucilages and tannins. Let's examine the possible benefits lemon verbena offers. This medicinal plant is useful in the following cases. For gastrointestinal problems. In Mexico, it is used in traditional medicine to relieve stomach and intestinal pain and discomfort. As a tranquilizer. Due to its calming effect, lemon verbena is also used to relieve insomnia, stress, anxiety and nervousness. Did you know that linden flower is also used to reduce stress and anxiety? Discover more about this plant in the video we share above. To delay aging. Its antioxidant properties may slow down cellular aging. For cosmetic uses. Because of its antibacterial properties, lemon verbena essential oil is primarily used in Brazil for skin disorders. For menstruation. Lemon verbena possesses emmenagogue properties that are good for soothing menstrual pain. For heart conditions. The lemon verbena plant is sometimes used for treating heart and circulation issues. Before continuing, we're going to put you to the test. Lemon verbena is known by other names. Which of the following is one of them? A. Lemon basil, B. Herb Louisa, C. St. John's wort. Have a think and you can check at the end of the video to see if you got it right. How to take lemon verbena. The easiest way to consume it is as an infusion. If you wish to prepare one, follow these simple steps. 1. Boil dried or fresh lemon verbena leaves for 30 minutes. 2. Let the mixture rest. 3. Add a little honey to sweeten the infusion. Several South American countries, including Argentina, Brazil and Uruguay, use lemon verbena as a traditional bitter in mate, which is a mixture of mate leaves and grass. Lemon verbena is also used in gastronomy, where its characteristic aroma is used in dishes as a spice and flavouring. Likewise, lemon verbena is used to make alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks. Even a well-known commercial drink from Peru is made from this herb. Contraindications. Lemon verbena is not considered toxic, but its consumption is not recommended for pregnant and lactating women, people with kidney problems or diabetics. Furthermore, it should only be consumed twice a day and for no longer than 2 weeks. Side effects. Side effects observed with excessive consumption of lemon verbena tea include skin irritation, dizziness, vomiting, diarrhea and drowsiness. Do not treat any serious medical condition without first consulting a qualified physician. Going back to the question we asked you earlier, have you thought it through? The correct answer is B. Lemon verbena is also called Herb Louisa in honour of Maria Luisa Teresa de Parma, the wife of the Spanish King Charles IV of Spain. If you want to discover other plants with amazing natural benefits, don't miss the video on the properties and benefits of Gotu kola. Let us know your experience using lemon verbena and we'll see you next time.